this is Anupam Manai and welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be doing the Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul video. I'm sorry that I took so long to this video, but few of my products had like shipment delay and I got them yesterday. But now that I have all the product, I won't waste much time and I'll get into the video. So the first one is this Brosen Professional 3D lashes. I have already used these lashes in my video and I'm in love with this. I really wanted like a volume kind of one and this is the best. It cost rupees 175 and I think it's worth the price. Next, I got this Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. I got these two palettes for 950 rupees and I thought this is a great deal. I have already used this palette. It's good. The pigmentation is great. The texture is like creamy kind of, and I'll swatch few of the shades. See, the pigmentation is great and it blends well. I haven't used this palette because I got it yesterday. The shades are really pretty. I love this shade more than this. I'll swatch this. It is so pretty. I just can't wait to play with this shade. The next product that I got is this Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. It is kind of expensive. It cost rupees 4,500, but I always wanted to have this palette. They have so pretty shades and just look at it. It is so pretty. I'll show you the shades. I've already used this palette for few of my looks and they are amazing. Look at the shades. It has few of the glitters, shimmers and also the matte. And I've used few of the shades and the texture is like good, creamy kind of one, and the pigmentation is great. You just need a little amount and it blends well. Yeah, I'll swatch few of the shades. This one, I love this shimmer. Just look at it, it's so good. Then this, it is very creamy. And I just can't choose my favorite shade because all are so beautiful. And I also got a lipstick and a lip balm free with it. They are so cute. And I also got the lipstick. It's a mini lipstick and I'll just swatch the shade. It's kind of like travel friendly, you can take it and it's good. Next I got this Maybelline Superstay in Crayon. I have the lip gradation one and I love it. I carry it everywhere, so I thought I'll try this. I got this in the shade 15 Lead the Way. It cost rupees 599. I've already swatched the shade. I love it. I love kind of like light pinkish nude kind of shades, and the best part is it also have a sharpener with it. So yeah. Next I got this Nykaa lipsticks. This is Nykaa Paint Stick in the shade Smell the Rose. This is Nykaa So Matte Mini in the shade 50M Cinnamon Crush, and this is Nykaa Matte to Last in the shade Gal. So I'll swatch all the shades. I have already swatched this shade. I just take like few amounts and just dab it around. I'm not like big fan of this shade. Cinnamon Crush mini lipstick. It's like neutral shade and yeah, it's pretty. Next, I love Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipsticks. I have in the shade Chai and Bombay. I love it, and I got this Gal's shade, so I'll swatch it here. It's similar to Bombay, but this is kind of like darker than that. Yeah. Next I I got this Maybelline Color Sensational Matte Lipstick. I got this free. It is in the shade Clay Crush. I already had this before and I used to use it all the time. So yeah. I have collection of like pink or nude shades, so I just stick with that shade. I got this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. You might already know that I use this concealer a lot and it's my favorite. So the one that I had is like almost finished, so I had to like restore it. Its actual price is $4.75, but I got this for like $3.56. So yeah. Next, I got this Nykaa Oh My Brow eyebrow mascara. I haven't used any eyebrow mascara before, so I wanted to try. Its actual price is $5.99, but I got it for $5.09. I got this in the shade Serious Brown. The wand is really like small. Yeah. I bought this Sugar Contour de Force Face Palette in the shade Vivid Victory. It cost rupees $7.99. This is like my third sugar purchase. I love sugar products. The one that I have is the Sugar Contour de Mini Blush, and I also have the Arch Arrival Eyebrow Definer. So yeah, these are the shades. This is bronzer, highlighter and blush. I'm sorry, I have this shade. Yeah. The blush is pretty good. Highlighter. Oh, sorry. Highlighter is really good. And the bronzer. I don't know if you can see it here. Next, I got these two Wet n Wild brushes. This is for foundation and this is for eyeshadow. This cost rupees, actual price is $3.50, but I got it for $2.80, and this actual price is $1.95, but I got it for $1.56. So these are like cheap and really good. I got this Nykaa Wanderlust Country Rose body butter and Moi, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, by Nykaa perfume. I got this too on a combo offer. It has like a baby powder kind of smell. This cost rupees $2.49, the actual price, but I got it for $1.74, and this actual price is $2.49, but I got it for $1.74. I don't like this smell, it is too strong, but not the least. This is PAC HD Liquid Foundation. I got it in the shade 2.5. Its actual cost is $8.75, but I got it for $7.88. I don't like the packaging. This box is really irritating. Yeah, this is not sturdy, so don't depend on this box. This is the PAC foundation. I'll just put it here. It also has a cap, so it does not leak. I've already used this foundation and it's really good. It suits my skin tone and it blends well. I really wanted to have this foundation and yeah. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and I'll be doing such videos again. And for now, bye guys.